Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, Fela Kuti, he is not even Sowore. I am speaking of course about Naira Marley, and I am speaking to the situation when Naira Marley went to a party organized by one Nigerian actress, Funke something, for her husband. The party was organized under the lockdown situation, and this led to people being arrested at that party, and Naira Marley was amongst them. So with that, I bring you this. Lagos government releases Naira Marley's letter of apology. So a letter of apology written by Naira Marley, allegedly, this is according to the Lagos state government. So the headline again: Lagos government releases Naira Marley's letter of apology. So now let's see what the Amugbo boy has to say for himself. The Lagos state government on Friday released the apology letter written to it by popular musician Azeez Fashola alias Naira Marley for flouting the lockdown order in the state. Naira Marley had attended a birthday party on April the 4th, 2020, contrary to the social distancing directive of the government to curb the spread of C-19. The state government had filed charges against him before the state magistrate court in Ogba, and he was billed to be arraigned on Wednesday alongside the candidate of the Action Democratic Party in the 2019 governorship election in the state, Babatunde Badamasi, and his wife Folashade, who also attended the party. But the state government applied to drop the charges on the condition that the musician and the politician would tender a written apology to the government, sign an undertaking to henceforth comply with the social distancing and stay-at-home directives, and go into self-isolation for 14 days. Fulfilling one of the conditions for withdrawing the case, Naira Marley, in a letter dated April the 9th, apologized to Governor Babajide Sanwo Olu. Part of the letter reads, "I hereby apologize unreservedly to the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Sanwo Olu, and the good people of Lagos State in any manner that I may have violated the social distancing regulations and the stay-at-home order of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Governor of Lagos State, as same was not done as a result of deliberate disrespect to their persons, authorities, and government. I agree to be in self-isolation in my house for a period of 14 days, commencing from today, Thursday the 9th April 2020, and the Lagos State Ministry of Health should supervise my isolation." So there's a full text of the letter, which maybe let me see if I'm able to download it, then I'll attach it. But there you have it, a rebel without a cause, a rebel without a clue. He can make all the noise in the media space, saying is this, that, and the other, that by Yahoo boy, as Ashopo you are not this kind of nonsense, but you should stick to that nonsense, because it looks as though this guy now, they are going to make an example, because this is not his first or even his second encounter with the authorities. But where's the fight and the biting him? Immediately he's gone into the Idobale position, rolling on the floor to Malam Buhari and Babajide Sanwo Olu, saying, "I'm sorry sir, I won't do it again sir, look at that." So Sowore, he's certainly not, because Sowore, of course, you know what Sowore will tell them? He will tell them, go and swivel, go and swing from a tree, is what Sowore will tell them, and Fela Kuti will just dish them a slap. But it's not Sowore, of course. It's not Fela Kuti. Is just some mommy's boy that is smoking Igbo, thinking that is a rebel and a rascal. But where's the rascality now? Come share thoughts. Naira Marley in the Idobale position is what we're talking about in this video. Come tell me what your take is. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then a rebel without a cause is the theme of this video. Come, let's have a chat about all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say,